Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art. It's a cootie catcher time for Mother's Day. American Mother's Day is coming up in a couple of months, or you can save this for UK Mother's Day next year. Print and write your messages. I think these look absolutely stunning, super cute, 3D Mother's Day cootie catchers. Come on then, let's take a look and see how they're made. So you will need our printables. There's a choice of 4 different designs. You need some pencils, some scissors, and some glue stick, which is optional. It's totally up to you actually to what degree you, if you do the 2 levels or the 1 level. So as you can see here, you've got the little extra flaps. You don't have to add those if you don't, and you don't have to add these, but I think it's really fun to have that sort of 3D effect by having both sheets. So we begin by colouring in. I'm going to speed this bit up for you guys, and then we'll cut it all out and do the next step. So you have your pieces. These are optional, you don't have to add these, but we're going to now turn this into a cootie catcher. Begin by folding in half. Get it as neat as you can. Folding it again. All along these lines. These will make it easier to fold it at the end. So you now have it across and diagonal. Bring this in, this side, this flap. Again, there's a guiding line across the bottom. Flip it round, bring that in. You can also write your messages now. It's up to you if you use the ready printed messages or create your own. Okay, now fold, fold, bring together, so push these all in, and you can lift out each flap. And there you have your basic flower. Isn't it great? Now you can add the details. Get a glue stick. You don't have to add these, I just think it's fun because it gives a little bit of a 3D effect. Just a bit of glue at the top. Put them over each other, and I'm going to make sure they go at the end of one of these. So I'm going to light them like this. Now, do let it dry, because if you don't let it dry, they'll pop off. But let's take a look. Fold it, make sure they're nicely creased, and open up. And once they're fully dry, this petal will stick out a little bit. Now mine aren't dried properly yet because I'm just showing you in the video. Look at that, your 3D Mother's Day cootie catchers are finished. And as mentioned, we have a ready coloured set. These are quite fun as well, aren't they? And you can just colour them any way you want. I think they're simply stunning, and they make a really lovely birthday or Mother's Day, or just for fun friendship cootie catcher. As per usual, if you like this craft, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, we'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.